Ko uri kuvakireiko zimba zihombe rausingazokwanise kutengera midziyo kuti ugonyatsoenjoya uri muzimba rako imomo. Instead, why don't you build a small compact house that serves a purpose, that serves you? Uri kuvaka Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Sekuruguru Picture. Yes, pana kutotara nyaya dzakasiyana dzinoitika kunyanya muZimbabwe nedzimwe nyika dzakapoteredza pati zvine chekuita nezvizvarwa zvekumusha kana kuti zvemaZimbabwense. Nhasi ndoda kumbotaura nezvenyaya yesize yeimba yekuvaka. Size of the house versus what is going to be in the house, and if or to see kana imba iri kuzoseva a purpose yakavakirwa nemuridzi wayo. You see, most of us are over 30 years people who are building houses. Lifespan yedu kana life expectancy yemunyika or yepasi rese yakadzika zvekudaro around 30 years remaining, and you are building I don't know, a 2-story house, I don't know, 8 rooms. What do you need the 8 rooms for? What do you need the 8 rooms for? At the end of the day, you are going to find out kana soon they will be married. I'm not saying chase your kids, your children away. Very soon they will be married, and very soon your sons will also marry and move out, looking for greener pastures in other countries. Saka, there is no need for you to build a very, very big house. Or I don't know what to say. The house is so big. Masara paya waione mukadzi wako, you can't even manage kutsvaira makutoda mushande and all that stuff. I have been in South Africa and I have seen a lot of people, especially indigenous South Africans. They don't live in such high roofed houses like what we are used in Zimbabwe. They live in low roofed houses. I don't know, what can I say? I don't know which word actually to use, but I'm trying to say the ceilings are so low and my roofs are so low. Tata jaira mazigeboard edu isusu ekuZimbabwe akadai. In South Africa there is nothing like that. And one thing chandakabatisa chaita kuti ndigadzire video ineyi ndechekuti havakoshese the outside of the house or the size of the house, vanokoshesa what is inside of the house. They've put more value in the property that is inside. At the end of the day, you need a good place to put your head. You need a good bedding. You need a good wardrobe system. One is a fitted avo. They put my fitted kitchen avo. They put my tiles. They put big TVs. They put very expensive fridges, so that they can enjoy life. Not good for the neighbors to say, akavaka zimba, zimba racho rakakura. Then he was no pay. Saka, a big house for me is a no-brainer. It's not going to save you in any way. You just need, I think, 3 bedrooms and a dining room, or at least 2 bedrooms where your kids can sleep. If you have girls, they can sleep in the spare room. Then the boys can sleep in the dining room. You understand what I'm saying? Or you can build another cottage or a 2-room outside. This craziness, guys, I'm not buying it. In Njango, I'm focusing on furnishing my house, putting in or buying stuff that I am going to enjoy as the owner of the house from inside. You understand what I'm saying? Enjoy your home from inside more than from outside. Make your house comfortable, make your home comfortable. Buy nice couches, comfortable couches. Because you saved a lot when you are building the house, it means you have enough to purchase house property. You understand what I'm saying? You have enough to buy a good couch, a good television system, a good sound system, even a good solar system. You understand what I'm saying? Enjoy your house from inside. There are a lot of people who are in the diaspora who can't control or who can't actually decide which house to stay in or which place to live. We are crowded most of the time. We are living in small apartments because of the rent house. They are very, very high in the diaspora. But you see, good people are enjoying those spaces. This is why I even make a video previous. I was saying, if you want to build in Zimbabwe, don't just build blindly and say, I want to build a large house. No. Recreate the same house, the same plan that you were living abroad. If you were staying in 2 rooms, go and build that 2 rooms. You know what you were doing with that 2 rooms when you still do the same. Kana waigara in a 2-bedroomed house in a fitted-in kitchen in it, or in a built-in bathroom and toilet, just do the same. Something that is compact, something that is satisfying. And then I want my life to be fulfilling and satisfying for myself. I am done living for people. I think the era where we hear pressure, I think yakadarika kudara. We now must focus on building the future of our kids and enjoying life to the fullest, especially from within. Avoid enjoying life from outside. Pressure, a lot of pressure. Vakagara kujoni 15 years, vakavaka 2 rooms. That 2 rooms is good enough. You are not going to spend hours in that house. Makuseno unotomuka uchitenda kubasa, uchineta haso, uchineta something, uchibata zvima project zvavo. Kumbane kosongwesa musoro chete. You understand? You are not going to be sleeping in 3 rooms at the same time. Or today we are in this room, tomorrow you are in that room. You have changed to that room. So, point yangu inde kuti aigona kuvaka zimba rekupenga. Zvekusvika papoint yekuti hauchakwanisa kuti afford property yekuisa mukati. If you can afford, well, there's nothing wrong with that. You can build a mansion, then you can furniture it and do all that stuff. But I'm just saying kuti an average Joe akafanana neni, don't stress yourself. Or kupiwa pressure unoda kuita competition yekuti ndakuzovakawo imba yakazokura yakadai ine zvimwe zvimadesign zvinopedza zvidhina nemarata. Just do something that is compact. Waisa matiles ako. Kitchen kako kari pakona, sitting room yako irapa, bedroom rako aripo, bedroom revana, kafitted chako kuti kakoisa tumagast kwako and all that stuff. You are good to go. Then much of the money remaining, put it in other projects, put it in work so that you can make more money out of that. You understand what I'm saying? So most people, they are not aware of that. But happiness must come from within yourself, from within your house, going outside. The number macho fridge muri empty amuna chini. Upa hamuna mafuta, hamuna sauta, hamuna vanhu vari kukwangwaya nenzara. Wakutosvika pakutozora vaserini womira pagedhi wakazora vaserini asi uchiziva kuti nenzara. Uchida kungoti vanhu vaona kuti muromo wako wakatsvukirira. So to me it's a no-brainer kuvaka zikumba rakakura. Asi mukati memba yacho musina midziyo inoita kuti muridzi wemba iyo I enjoy life to the fullest kana kuti to the maximum. So it's the building or the structure versus the property. Unorekera kupi iwewo more. Let me know in the comment section. I ndorekera hangu midziyo. I want to enjoy myself. Not kufadza my neighbors nema passers by. I hope you are learning a lot on this channel. Please guys, I beg you to subscribe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ritori basa iri vamwana utoramisa muri nazvo. This is why I'm doing it, and I know it is possible. You can support me. Until we meet again, thank you so much.